In this video, I will show how to show all shortcut keys in MS Word and how to get the list of shortcut key. Press Alt then F8 on your keyboard. F8. So you will get this macros option. Here select Word commands and here search list. So select list commands, then click on run. And here select all word commands, click on OK. So you will get this list for MS Word document. Like all caps, Control Shift plus A and app restore Alt plus F5. Auto format Alt Control plus K. So you will get this available bold Control plus B, Control Shift plus B to bold bookmark. So thanks for watching guys.